Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. I actually just want to just quickly show you guys a nice strategy as to how to catch crazy spikes on crash and boom, as to how to catch crazy spikes on crash and boom. Okay guys, so I won't be talking too much. As you can see, I'm just on my 4 hours time frame. So when I just take this stuff like down like this, just zoom it in, you can actually see what's actually showing here. You can actually see you can actually see my formation here in such a way that I'm actually having this guy here creating something I call an internal. Those are my VIP, they already know what I'm talking about, in such a way that it blinks like this, right? It blinks like this. Good guys, now the stuff about this thing is that you just need to go and place your fractals. Okay, just place your fractals, right? Just go to your functions and place your fractals here. Okay, now all I'm using on my fractals are just the default. Okay, so that's it. Now immediately after placing that, go now to your 1 minute time frame. Now look at something, look at this formation. Now guys, whenever you see this formation on your on your crash and boom, a W formation, this strategy is just about what I call the 1 minute W formation, in such a way that this storm came here, it came here. This combination of those two was what I was seeing on the 1 hour time frame just now, in such a way that this particular stuff after coming to this place, it created it converted its its resistance into a support. You can see that here on my 1 minute time frame, in such a way that this particular stuff actually moved up like this, right? Broke this spot, went up like that, it dropped back down to the spot, right? Now when it got to the spot, what happened next was that it went up again, right, to complete to complete a V here, right? Now drop back down again to complete the W. You can see that now it's actually a W formation now, right? It's forming like this, right? Now on my 1 minute time frame, now can you see what just happened? Now it just spiked right before your eyes. Now it just spiked, right? Now if I had taken this trade, you would have seen that I would have just caught that spike crazily, just like that. But then that's not the actual stuff. Now guys, I just actually want to show you this. Now you can see that this particular stuff, just like I'm telling you, it actually just spiked there. So that's just how you catch these spikes crazily. But then I will be taking a trade. Don't worry, the trade is not too late yet, but I just want to explain these things. Sometimes we always say that when I explain trades, I explain very fast and just leave the trade. So that's not what I want to do here today. I just want to make sure I explain everything to details. So you can see this particular stuff. I would have taken that trade, but I just didn't want to take it. But then look at what I'm telling you, in such a way that this guy, they actually came to where is that 1 hour 4 hours. Good. Now you can see it. You can see the same thing here, right? You can see the same thing here. Boom. Just like this on a 4 hours time frame, right? Now if you go to your 1 minute time frame, you see the same thing here, right? Good. Just that this is actually the 1 minute formation of it, right? Good. In such a way that the support here converted into the resistance here converted into a support, right? To give us a formation like this, right? Good. Now guys, look at this stuff. This trade actually is not even too late. I can even still enter this trade. Why? How do I know this trade is not too late? Because the 4 hours time frame is giving me a clear confirmation that there is actually on a strong resistance zone, which we were just seeing on the 1 minute time frame, right? Guys, see, catching these spikes are not difficult. Just go check on your 4 hours time frame. Is it on a strong resistance zone? Yes. Good. Now after that, go to your 1 minute time frame. Go to your 1 minute time frame. Now after getting to your 1 minute time frame, you check, is it giving any W formation like this on your 1 minute time frame? If it's giving, good, then what do you do now? Now guys, this particular stuff it's actually so clean now, right? Now we already know that it's on a nice resistance zone here, right? Good. At the same time, we know that it's giving us a W formation. Where is it? A W formation on my 1 hour time frame. Good. Meaning that guys, we don't have any issue anymore. We just need to come here now and check the overall trend. The overall trend is a downtrend, telling me that I have nothing to worry about. Meaning that I can just simply come. I know it has spiked already, but I needed to explain that before I before I take any trade. So I will just simply come here and just take on let me just take on a 3. I'm going to take on a sell there because of its movement, just in case it moves like crazily, like far. So that's why I'm just taking like that. So I'm just going to add another one. Let's see. Let's just add another one. I think we're still good. We are still good. So what do we do now? Let's just add another one, right? Let's just add another one to it. Let's see how much free margin. I'm having a free margin of 36 now. Okay, so there is a possibility of my trade getting to red, but then my capital is a bit okay, so I have nothing to worry about. So I just know now that I would have taken this trade here when it was moving here and just caught the spike, but it's still okay because it's not complete yet, right? Because this particular stuff will keep dropping, right? It will keep dropping. In fact, this trade is a long trade. I could hold this trade for at least 4 hours. I could hold this trade for at least 4 hours. But of course, I wouldn't be holding this trade for 4 hours because this is just a video. I just want to show you how you can catch these stuffs just like that. But guys, when you are actually applying this strategy, the one thing that you must notice this. The one thing that you must notice this. You must actually note, you must actually note that you must actually check if you are trading according to the trend. Okay, according to the trend, you can see I'm 100% safe now. Why? Because first of all, this particular stuff, even if we look at this stuff critically again, you see a fractal here that was formed, right? You check this place again, you see another nice fractal that was formed, right? Good. You check this place again, you see another nice fractal that was formed in such a way that when I combine this stuff, this particular spot on its own is a strong what? It's a strong resistance zone. If I check this spot also, what? It's a strong resistance zone. What's it giving me? It's giving me a formation like this, telling me that what? The final movement to be what? The final movement to be downward. This will take hours. This will take several hours. You can trade long trades like when you have above 1,000 USD in such a way that it will just come back here to drop. Then after dropping here, it will misbehave and move around. Okay, let me show you that. It will move around the spot, probably go up again, then after that it will drop back down and break this level and keep dropping down. You notice that if you go to what? If you go to your daily, can you see what I'm showing you? All I just showed you there on your what? On your 4 hours is what's showing on your daily in such a way that this stuff has hit the spot, right? Now, if I was a daily trader, let's say you have nice capital there, I was a daily trader, I want to take this trade, I can just simply just take this trade now and go and close it, let's say and go and close it probably tomorrow or so, because I know that this particular stuff I can just place my my stop loss here, right? I can just place my stop loss here. I'm showing this for those that have nice capitals, those that have large capitals, right? Now in such a way that I can just place my my stop loss here, right? And just come to this spot and place my and place my TP1 and come to this place and place my TP2 in such a way that even if it doesn't break through the spot, it must have hit my my 2 TPs and go back up until maybe it gets back to this spot again. Let me show you. It will get back to this spot, right? Then this particular spot, then drop back down and break. If it doesn't break now, you can check this stuff to confirm later. But then if it doesn't break now, then it will actually break what? It will actually break later, right? It will actually break maybe a few days time, maybe maybe 2-3 days time from now. It will break down and go out of this spot. Now that's for those that's for the daily traders. I think I'm even on on profit already. I can predict that. You can see what I'm telling you. I think I'm on profit already. So guys, this particular stuff is not me just coming and predicting. I'm not here to predict. I would have caught this trade. From this first spot, but then I just had to explain because we always tell guys always tell me that you don't you rush your trades and things like that. So I took my time to first of all explain. After explaining, I decided to ignore this particular stuff so you get it. After that, I explained again and took the trade here, and you can see boom, it spiked now again, just like that, guys. So guys, this particular stuff is actually easy. There's nothing to do. There's no stress here. This particular trade is actually clean. Those that have nice capitals can just actually eat this entire market, can just actually just take everything from this market. But I don't want my video to be so long, so I'll just be ending here, guys. So you can see this trade is still moving. I'm not closing anytime from now. I don't like losing. I don't like losing pips. But guys, so this is just how you do it, guys. You notice that it's on a what? You go to your 4 hours time frame. You notice where it is, right? You notice where it is. It's on a strong resistance zone. I have so many fractals there, right? Then you go to your 1 minute time frame. What is it forming? It's forming the W. It's giving my W formation, boom, boom, and boom, like that, right? In such a way that I just know this guy will keep spiking, hits this spot, breaks it, and keeps spiking down until it hits this spot and just keep going down. I showed you that stuff on the daily just now. For those who love, those who have nice capitals, you just already know. You can place your, if you want, for those who will ask where to place your TP, or if you want to scalp on this stuff, you can just place your TP at the spot if your capital is low, okay? Now, if you have a capital of above, let's say, 600, just place your TP there, please. You can just place your TP at about this spot, because it will break this spot, maybe not now, but it will hit this spot, then go back up and drop back down again, just like that, until what? Until it hits this particular spot and just keep going down. So if you have a capital of above of about 1,000 or 1.5, just simply come here and place your TP here, guys. Just simply place your TP there, and that's just it, guys. So it's a buy for me. Peace.